right, let's quickly walk through how to upload each of these images for the baby closet dividers. So you're gonna go into your Cricut, choose Upload Image, and the image is provided in two directions. I call it front and reverse. You can make this a two-sided project, which I like to do, or if you only want to do one side, you're just gonna look at the direction that your closet is and decide which way you want it to go. So I just dragged one of the designs in here. I'm going to choose Image Type Complex, choose Continue. Look at that, apply and continue. And then I'm going to choose Print Then Cut and Upload. And I'm going to do that for all of the 14 images that create the 7 two-sided closet hangers. Okay, so I'm going to select all of these. I'm going to choose Add to Canvas. Now we have a lot, and they all have this little warning sign that they're too big. I do not understand why Cricut imports these things bigger than they are set up to be. So what you're going to do is you're going to select them all, go up to Align, and center vertically. And that way they're all centered nicely. And then you're going to go up to the size, keep the lock on, and change the height from 10.299 to 5. And it's going to shrink them all down. Now, you're just going to organize them in groups of 3. You can print and cut 3 at a time. To print and cut all 14 of these images so that you can glue them together to make 7 two-sided organizers, you're going to need 5 pieces of paper. So being able to cut 3 per page, you're going to need 4 with 3 on it and then 1 with 2 on it. So we're going to make little groups of 3. So we're going to first grab 4, and it doesn't matter which ones, but we're going to grab 4 of these dividers and we're going to rotate them 90 degrees because we need to get them organized so that they fit into the space that Cricut allows for print and cut. Then when you get 3 of them together like this, 2 standing up, 1 sideways, you're going to go down here and you're going to choose Attach. So just do that for the rest of them. You want them all visible over here, and then you're going to choose Make It. And you'll see it's preparing 5 mats, like we just talked about, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and shows your media size and shows how that is going to work. Click Continue. Then you're going to send to the printer, and this is really important. Turn off Add Bleed before you print these designs. You don't want to bleed on these. Once you have sent your design to the printer, it's going to ask you to set your base material. I try and use a heavy cardstock, 100 pound, and then when that's doubled, it's, as sturdy as can be for the closet. Then it will ask you to load your tools and material. Once you have it all printed and put it on your mat, you follow that, peel it off, and then glue the 2 halves together.